Hey everyone, I've got a new 3D printing video for you here. Today I'm going to be printing out a cosplay piece. It's from an anime called Sword Art Online, and it is a character called Desu Gan. It's Desu Gan's mask that I'm going to be printing out today. And I found it on Thingiverse. If you check out the link in the description below, you can check the thing out and download that, print it out if you want to. I already tried to print this once. I'm going to be scaling it up by about 29% here because this first print, this is just part of it, ended up being a little bit too small for me. It fits my 6-year-old daughter great, but for something that I would wear, not so much. So here's the video of it printing. Hope you like it, and we'll be back and show it when it's done. Welcome back. So how do I look? Came out pretty good. It's all completed. It's not all together right now. I'm going to be finishing it up later. Right now I've just got it held by some zip ties to hold it on my face there, and a little bit of tape to hold these bits on. So I want to do a little bit of cleanup with this, get some of the roughness down. I think I might use some Bondo on some of these pieces to hide the layers and maybe paint it later. So I'll probably put a video up on that once I go ahead and get that finished. So keep an eye out for that. But right now I think it came out pretty good. And yeah. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And you know, I'm always looking for things to print. So if you want to let me know what you want me to try and print out next, if you have something you want to see printed out, just go ahead and leave that in the comments, and I'll see if I can get around to printing it out. And thank you for watching.